Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we would like to talk about Golden Cross and the Death Cross, because Death Cross incoming on a Bitcoin. Let's dive in. You should know, in the next few days, you might be seeing that a lot of content, a lot of trash talk about Death Cross on the Bitcoin. So the market is over, the bull run is over, and all this crazy, not a fad, it's not a fad, it's just a news, just some thoughts. That's it. So we got a Death Cross and the bull run ad. But guys, it doesn't work like this one. So most likely all the technical analysis and practice, we work with the news, we work with seasonality, so we work with the macro in the world. So just some two random lines, yes, maybe I'm wrong, it's just my personal thoughts by experience, these lines can't show you the direction of the market, because tomorrow anything can happen in the world, and the people will find the confirmation of the Death Cross, or they find a confirmation of the Golden Cross. So if you want to find some bullish reasons and the bullish targets on the chart, you will find it. If you need some bearish sentiment find on the market, you will find it. You just zoom out or zoom in and you will find it. So for any question, I highly recommend you always go to Investopedia and read the article, just the basic information, to understand the logic of this one. So this is how the Golden Cross looks like, and this is how the bearish, basically, as Death Cross looks like. So 50-day moving average against the 200-day moving average. This is a work in totally opposite way. We break it out on 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average up. It's called like a Golden Cross. But guys, on the practice, usually it's not playing out like they told you in the books, right? So of course, every single like this indicator, old one indicator, lagging, and after the fact, of course, you can find the confirmations. How to do this one? And just go into indicators, add to SMA, so smooth moving average, and go into settings, add it here, land 50 days, source by daily candle close or by daily open. It depends of how the trading view will count. So here is a buy high. Different ways how we can analyze this SMA color. So let's mark this is going to be the green one color. 200 will be here. You add a 200 close. I recommend you use by candle close, and add it like a red one. All right, got it. So basically now we have to see some flash crash again, because it's the Death Cross on a daily one. But for me personally, it's just a myth. It's just a myth, and after the fact, we can find out totally different price reaction on a history. So you can add it to SMA and analyze the chart. So let's find out. So here, this is a Death Cross. This is a Death Cross in September 2023. Let's count the date range. So here's a Death Cross. So it's happening all the time, guys. And here's a Golden Cross. Guys, take a look. 48 days it took to cross the lines, right? But the problem is, take a look. Before the cross, this one line, so basically this is the top, you just miss there, all right, from the bottom, 39%, and from this top low, you miss the right, like here, you miss the right, like a crossing, 30%, because you wait by the classic TA, some confirmation by some magical lines. Usually the people who trade the classic TA, they got a confirmation, so we are crossing, and only after that they enter the position. Basically, it works also, but you just wasted the time and you lose the good entry. The same story with the Death Cross. So take a look. We are crossing the lines here in September 11, and people waiting here to sell, right? Because it's the Death Cross, the panic sales, the newbies panic sale here, 21% we lost. So you should sell it here. Newbies listen these fairy tales about the Death Cross, they scare enough, they sell. Experienced traders, they buying it. So on this Death Cross, exactly when we cross it, for experienced traders and investors, it can be like a good opportunity to buy. Take a look at the history again. So this is a Golden Cross once again, but how many percentage did you miss it just by waiting this crossing line? Here, the golden line. you miss 51% or even 56%. Also, take a look. This is a golden cross, right? So we should pump, but we dump. That's why, guys, all these lines, it just can frustrate you. So 8% down. Then from the golden cross, we dump it 16%. From golden cross, take a look. You can scroll it down on any asset and find out a lot of reasons, right, for that. Take a look here, Zone 22, but we are in the bear market. We are in the bear market, so you have to analyze the macro, you have to analyze the sentiment around on the market, you have to understand the seasonality, the cycles, and I remind you, it was the February, Russia invaded Ukraine. So here's a January, the rumors about the war, and here's a February, right? And we dump. Bounce to test 200 EMA and reject and going down. So yes, by this case, of course, because of this type of moves, you know, we got this myth about the EMAs. So it playing out like 65%. Here was once again death cross. I remember that time perfectly. The summer, everybody screaming, we go into to zero before we dump it on the ship leasing. I remember also that day 53% in 1 week or even 2. Then we got a death cross. Everybody talk we go into zero, but that time we dump like only 21% and recover back. So this is how it works. So guys, I highly recommend you go read technical side of this, how it works, you know, but it's pretty simple. What the main message of this video is don't be trapped by the influencer who will tell you or who will trying to scare you because of this death cross. Guys, you can scroll it down, find out how the golden cross this works and how the death cross works on a distance, you know, and it's always different. Always different. What we can't see, it's maybe we can see the test of the like rejection of 200 EMA. Maybe it's going to be the bad signal. So if we will see something like, let's say, like this one on the price, we drop it like this and reject 61. Maybe it's going to be the bearish signal. Maybe. Who knows? But what if we just form this type of SMA and go into golden cross, this one over here, and going higher. So guys, highly recommend you go and check the difference between the golden cross and the death cross. Don't be fooled, don't be trapped by influencer. We work totally with another system and not classic TA. I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about the golden cross and the death cross. If you'd like to trade with my customer, write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.